Here's a secret drink that's been passed down through time, a recipe that melts away stubborn fat in less than a month. Targets stubborn belly and flank fat, all without a strict diet routine. Well, first we need fresh ginger. This is it, green gift that will make the fat disappear. We need a piece the size of a tablespoon full of fresh ginger, then carefully peel off the outer layer. This vibrant piece, its fiery spirit is ready to awaken the burning system in your belly. If you think it only burns your fat, you're wrong. For example, ginger helps improve digestion, strengthen immunity, and reduce bloating. The good news for you is that it helps control appetite. Isn't that encouraging, guys? Okay, now we need a medium-sized lemon. Peel the lemon well, as if you were revealing the fruit from the inside. You should remove the white peel as well, so that it does not make the drink taste bitter. Guys, please write to me in the comments from which country you watch my videos. Let's see which country in the world follows us the most. Okay, after rinsing the lemon and ginger with water, cut both into small pieces. Handle the lemon carefully, remove the core and the rough white threads inside the lemon. Then put the lemon and ginger pieces in an electric blender and pour a large cup of water. This is how we get fresh, concentrated juice that destroys your stubborn fat. All you have to do now is filter it. Then put this drink in a glass bottle and mix it with 1.5 liters of mineral water. Quite simply, this is the magic drink that will change your life. So, start using it today and I promise you in less than a month you will thank me for it. Important notice, this drink is not recommended for those who have blood pressure problems or stomach ulcers. Second note, try to prepare enough for 2 days only, because the longer you leave the drink, the more bitter it will taste. Keep the remaining amount in a cool place. Regarding the method of use, you only have to drink 1 cup of it after lunch. You can sweeten it by adding a little green apple.
It tastes so refreshing that you don't feel like you're doing anything forced or boring at all. It reduces blood sugar levels, which is reflected in fat loss.
Now let's get to know the ingredients of the second hot drink.
A very useful and healthy drink with amazing effects. It destroys belly fat and the sides will melt like ice. First, Coriander seeds make a clear difference in waist circumference without a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Regulates body fluids and cleanses the liver. Secondly, we need chamomile, this quiet enemy of hidden fats, the hero who does not make noise. Chamomile restores blood sugar balance and calms the nerves in a magical way. So we put 2 teaspoons of coriander and approximately the same amount of chamomile in a pot. So we need that little spark to ignite the fire. Cloves enter the body carrying eugenol, an aromatic compound that stimulates metabolism, especially at the abdominal level. So we need 7 cloves. If you have high blood pressure, you can dispense with cloves. To make the burning process more intense, we put a small piece of fresh ginger. Rinse the herbs well with water to remove any dust. Finally, pour 2 cups of lukewarm water and heat it over medium heat. Leave it aside to soak for a quarter of an hour and make sure to cover it. Then you can filter it. This is the drink that burns your stubborn fat. Now let's learn how to use it. You can use this drink twice a day. Use it before lunch and before dinner while warm. Thus, we have obtained 2 very easy and effective recipes. You can try them yourself and see for yourself. I hope that you will return to this video and tell me about the amazing results. Share the video with your friends so that everyone can benefit.
Finally, I thank you for following and see you soon.